Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain resource planning. As we have studied about the kinds of resources, there are of so many kinds, and all kinds of resources normally not present at one place. Different kinds present in different regions. But overall, there should be judicious use of all resources equally everywhere. But naturally, they are not present similar in amount at every place. You know, our country has diversity in the availability of resources. Some regions are very rich in some kind of resources, whereas some are very poor. See some examples. Northeastern states of our country, like Arunachal Pradesh, is very rich in water resources, whereas it is deficient in amount in Rajasthan. But again, Rajasthan is very rich in wind and solar energy. See, Ladakh is very rich culturally and is there present uranium, but human resources and human made resources are there very poor. See, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh are there very rich in mineral resources, but they are very poor in sense of human resource development and human made resources. Hence, overall, we need to plan the use of resources if we want to continue our prosperity in coming future for the long time. Resource planning in our country involves three stages. First, what we need to do is to identify the resources wherever they are available, in what kind and quality and quantity also. Then we prepare a map how to take newly found resources out to put their proper use. Second one, we need to examine the resources with the setting of our institution and technology and also economic needs. Third one, what we make development plan for newly found resources, we should try to match the same with the national developmental plans. Then after we can start taking them out. See, many regions like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, they are not very rich in mineral resources and others, but technological development have taken place there, human development has taken place there, hence the regions are very developed. Mere availability of resources cannot make progress of the region. need their corresponding changes in the institution and technology also, so that institution may produce quality human resources apt for using them. Similarly, technology, when human development takes place overall development of a region, and people should learn from past experiences. See, Britishers and many European blocs attacked India because they were very rich technologically and had attained human development but remained deficient in mineral and other resources. So they wanted rich supply of minerals and other resources. So they came to India. It means India was very rich naturally, lacking technology and human resources. Now, conservation of resources. We need conservation of resources for human survival. If we don't conserve them, human is there at the stake of extinction. Because resources are very limited in amount and needs are contrary unlimited, followed by greed of some luscious people and selfish ones. Technology a little bit has advanced over here, so the pace of resources utilization has multiplied. Though our cultural and religious history remained always apt in conserving resources, worship of river, many plants, many animals, even venomous animals are also worshipped just to conserve diversity of the nature. Right from beginning of our first 5-year plan, India was trying to conserve resources. In the same line, our Honorable Bapuji Mahatma Gandhi had told, there is enough for everybody's need and not for everybody's greed. It means resources were there here available to fulfill the needs of all, but to fulfill the greeds, these were and are inefficient. This line was quoted at many places in world. In 1974, by Schumacher, mentioned in his book Small is Beautiful. This line of Mahatma Gandhi revolutionized the world and came out of this sustainable development in 1990s, of which I discussed earlier. Your homework is to copy and learn, and next class you will have on land resources. See, one student asked me how reserve is a subset of a stock. See, a stock resources and reserve resources not being utilized presently. One can be used, reserve can be used with present technology and economic capacity, but other one not. But both can be used in future. Hence, reserve is the subset of stock. Have a blissful day. Thank you.